So hello guys, today is day 6 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself. And before starting this video, I'll tell you about last week. Last week I worked 5 days in a row. I tried to find new options. I tried to find new ways in which I could earn that 1 lakh rupees that I challenged myself for. And so far I have done 30% of that challenge. And because I've done that in 5 days, I wanted to give myself a little bit of peace, a little bit of comfort. And for that, I choose not to work on Saturday and Sunday. I went out to a swimming pool. I had a good swimming session because that is something that I like. And talking about today, which is Monday, I had a good productive day. I had a lot of things to do. Firstly, I had to work upon my job. Then after that, I had to work upon the client that I onboarded last week. And today, I had a lot of work for that client because I had to create new campaigns. I had to do a kind of a competition analysis to let the brand know where he actually stands in the market right now. So it was a lot of work. After that, like I told in the last video, I wanted someone to handle the communications for me. I have been looking for that particular person, but I haven't found that person yet because I was in touch with a person, but that person is not, replying me on time, and it is, very irritating. So at the same time, today I decided to take the calls myself. So I sat down, I took a few calls, like I took around 5 calls, out of which I had good conversation with 2 clients, and both of those clients were willing to onboard with me. They were okay with the charges as well, but there was just a slight problem. That was, one of the seller is going to confirm me by tomorrow, and one of the seller is out of town till 22nd. So I'll have to wait till 22nd to follow up with him again. Apart from that, I'm trying my best to get someone who can handle this communication part, because I would have to train that particular person. I'll have to give him a whole insight about how this whole e-commerce thing works, because going forward, what I am doing is I'm trying to sell my e-commerce services to those particular clients, and that particular person which I'm going to hire is going to pitch that particular e-commerce services to that particular client. So I want someone who has a basic fair understanding of e-commerce. If they have it, it's really good. If they don't, I'll give you a very good brief just so that you can answer any question coming from the client. So let's say if you are someone who's interested into this, you can certainly ping me up on my Instagram, which is Noman Talks. At the same time, you can drop me a comment here on my YouTube video. So that's about the role. Apart from that, there are a lot of things that I have been planning, but since this calling part is not sorted yet, I'm not able to work on it, and that thing is really pissing me off. So let's see what happens in the next 2-3 days, because my aim is to get that particular person ASAP, because without having a person who can handle the communications, it's really getting tough to scale the number of clients that I currently have. And my motive, my challenge that I took for myself was to have 3 more clients in the next 5 days. So let's see how this whole thing goes, and if I get a person alongside with me, I think I'll be able to buckle up fast, and I'll be able to work upon the things in a more smooth and a more streamlined way. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.